In the poultry business, new isn't always better. That's why after more than 10 years of successful applications, one nipple drinker stands alone as the best in the industry, the Val Watering system. Growers who know will tell you Val systems are easily maintained. They're dependable, quickly installed, and adaptable to any type of poultry operation. The Val nipple drinker provides an uninterrupted flow of fresh, clean water. That means never cleaning a cup or trough again.
Before, I could figure 2 or 3 times a week having to come here and clean the drinker system I had, and you're talking a couple hours a day if I cleaned the whole house in one day. Just a lot of labor. What's, saved there.
Less time fooling with equipment means more time tending the flock. It's no wonder growers and integrators like Val systems. And the birds do too. Broilers, even day-olds, roasters, breeders, layers.
Birds really took off on them. I mean, when you bring a new flock of birds in here, they see that shiny nipple up there and they just start banging away at it. And they really take to it quick.
Val nipple drinkers work for ducks and turkeys too. No matter what kind of operation, the Val watering system can fit any situation.
The good thing about them is they're so convertible to any kind of housing, old houses, new houses, pole houses. Most people, if they got 8-foot trawls on 8-foot centers, you just drop your trawls and you can go, put new string or whatever you want to do. They're pretty easy to put in.
Val is the nipple drinker of choice for the incredible single-level super houses in Pennsylvania, 80 feet by 800 feet. Here, as always, each nipple delivers the same amount of clean water from one end of the house to the other. And litter stays dry. There's no leaks and no floods.
In the old house, the other house, we had old water troughs. And it was not uncommon to go in there maybe once every flock to find a trough that had been knocked off by the chickens and us having a flood.
What makes Val so special? Let's look at a few reasons. For some 60 years, the Studler family has machined watch parts and valve fittings. And this dedication to precision crafting, careful design, and attention to quality are hallmarks of their Val watering systems. The Val stainless steel nipple allows easy 360-degree triggering action, the best on the market. The unique Val regulator provides large volumes of water at very low pressures. Working together, the patented system has many benefits for the grower, like reducing the chances of diseases and illness in the flock, especially during those crucial early days.
Even a weak bird, a day-old weak bird or a day-old chick that has been debeaked can trigger our drinking system easier than any other drinking system on the market. That's worth something. And we've proven it. I mean, many of the integrators have proven it. And because it triggers easier, it's an asset. And you have lower mortality and the birds do better.
Healthier birds, better feed conversion, and little maintenance. No wonder growers and integrators are satisfied with Val drinkers. And Val has pledged to keep them that way.
Val companies have been real good. They've stood behind their drinker. They stay with their drinker and with their customers. And they support the industry. So the Val drinker is doing a good job. And the people that's selling the Val drinker is staying with it. So they're good and loyal to their customers.
Now let's look at some specific applications. In a broiler house, biddies start with the drinkers about 3 inches from the floor.
I stayed around just for when the chickens came here. When they started unloading them, I come over and sat down and I watched them. And they ran right to them. Once one found the silver shiny part, then they all started going around tapping at them.
The system is winched up as the birds grow, every other day or so, and the pressure is raised so that maturing birds get the exact amount of water they need. In a layer operation, 2 nipples per cage provide ample water for the birds throughout their 13 to 14-month laying cycle. Val drinkers deliver water to the birds only. Manure pits stay dry.
Very dry. It stacks up in peaks, and we're able to haul with tractor trailers.
I used to always have to walk through the pits every day and look for leaks and replace stuff every day, and now I don't even have to do that at all, really.
Val systems serve top breeder houses too. Once again, birds are guaranteed plenty of clean, fresh water. There's never a dirty trough or dry cup. That dependability comes from superior design.
The nipple type drinker has been a tremendous asset. It saves a lot of birds, it's a lot cleaner, and eliminates many of the diseases that are in the industry today.
There's even a Val drinker for start-grow setups. With manual adjustable operation, the system easily adapts to the needs of maturing pullets. Val Watering Systems, providing the complete drinker system including filters with 2 oil-filled stainless steel pressure gauges telling you when to change the filters, meters, and end assemblies that allow flushing of lines at any time. There's no better nipple drinker available. No rubber seats to replace, no pins to wear out. Looking for a reason why you should choose Val? Imagine bigger, healthier flocks.
You'll get a better feed conversion, and that's proven time and time again with the nipple drinker. Your mortality, your condemnation at the plant, coming from a healthier and cleaner environment, will be cut down, considerably down. So you're growing a less expensive bird as far as medications goes.
Consider less cake and drier manure pits.
Crush, you don't get the cake that you would get with a trough. You don't have the floods, that was always a nightmare. By the time your chicken's ready to go out, it never failed. They'd knock a trough off and you'd have a flood. And with this type of system, you're not going to have that problem.
Val nipple drinkers are easy to maintain.
It's just so much easier for me coming here and take care of my mortality and ventilation every day and just not having to worry about cleaning drinkers. That's a big help to me.
There is no better nipple drinker on the market. Patented Val systems allow birds to drink from any angle. There's always fresh water, never a dry cup. Val watering systems are self-cleaning, and the precision design won't leak or wear out. North, south, east, or west, even internationally, Val has a drinker system for your poultry operation.